You probably think software engineering is dying. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. It's entering its loudest, fastest growth spurt ever. At least for the next 5 years. But here's the twist. The old version of the engineer is fading, and companies are cutting that skill set everywhere. The new version, though, demand is exploding. Right now, enterprise engineers are scattered across a dozen hyper-specific roles: front-end, back-end, DBAs, DevOps, infrastructure, cybersecurity, plus an entire zoo of niche experts who know one particular platform, cloud service, workflow engine, or enterprise tool inside out. Each team sits on its own little island, guarding its own little kingdom of code. But now that AI can write code, people are panicking. Won't we need fewer engineers? Not even close. AI is about to show up everywhere. In airports, hospitals, logistics, customer service, inspections, maintenance, even basic physical tasks. And every one of those AI systems needs logic, safety, monitoring, updates, guardrails, and integrations that somehow fit together without exploding. That doesn't remove engineers, it multiplies how many you need. You see, the backlog of software that we need is almost bottomless. We could have smart everything: engines, elevators, buildings, tools, shoes, gardens. We could have software in pills in our bloodstream, in our brains, in 200 locations in your house, and at every street corner. We're not just behind, we are light years away from building all the software the world keeps asking for. The only problem? It's too expensive. You need a whole lineup of hyper-specialized engineers to assemble one respectable enterprise application. Every component needs a different wizard, sage, or keeper of arcane files. Bottom line, we want all that software, but at current prices, we'd need the GDP of a small moon to pay for it. That's where AI comes in. Once AI slashes the cost of development, smart everything stops being a luxury and becomes the default. Demand becomes effectively infinite. Engineer supply, on the other hand, does not. AI will bulldoze those specialization walls and create engineers who can manage the entire development lifecycle, not by personally wrestling every task, but by directing intelligent tools that handle the tasks for them. The engineer's job becomes defining intent, verifying correctness, supervising AI agents, designing guardrails, and making sure the whole system doesn't spontaneously catch fire. You move from I write the code to I manage the intelligence that writes the code. You're not debugging typos anymore, you're debugging behavior, drift, logic, and interactions between many moving parts. You design the safety nets, you approve the decisions, you orchestrate the entire machine. Instead of needing an army to build a piece of software, you'll need 1 or 2 people. But here's the catch. Instead of wanting to build one application, you'll suddenly need hundreds. It's a simple formula. Demand equals engineering cost per software times number of software we want to build. The engineering cost per software is about to drop dramatically. However, the number of applications we build is about to explode. Fair warning though, the job gets harder, not easier. No more milking the same 5,000 lines of code for 7 years. You're juggling system design, safety, and AI-driven complexity all before lunch. Software engineering isn't dying, it's leveling up, loudly, violently, and with way more moving parts than anyone asked for. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw and are interested in seeing more, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, then please do leave them down below.